These are going to be our monthly events, so please look forward to coming out the second weekend of January for our next senior event. Finishing in 7th place with a handicap total for 5 games of 1142. Mr. Scott Kelley.
All right, Scott, good job.
Come on down.
Good shot.
Mr. Full Die, Scott Kelley.
Mr. Full Die.
Didn't make it.
If you guys ever need any bowling shirts, make sure you ask Scott. He's really good at designing them. Congratulations. In 6th place with a 5-game handicap total of 1151.
Playing 6. 1 out of 4.
Mr. Fred Engles.
Fred, Mr. 300.
Winning $45. Come on down. Congratulations. In 5th place, with a handicap total of 1153. Is Terrie Weisse.
All right, Terrie. Yay.
If you ever need any golf lessons, this is the person to talk to.
Terrie.
Congratulations. And in 4th place, edging out Terrie by 1 pin. Mr. Mike Durkin with $70.
Ain't bowled in 5 years. This guy shows up and making money.
In 3rd place, the soon-to-be inventor of the Topolyn 2000.
Wow.
On a score of 1167, Mr. Wayne Topolyn taking home $100. In 2nd place, with a 5-game handicap total of 1226.
You don't get on.
Mr. Bobby Taylor, congratulations.
I remember when you were young. Yeah, me too. That's how old you are.
There's only one reason you remember that, is because you're older than him.
Yes, I am.
And our first ever champion of a 5-game senior sweeper with a 5-game handicap total of 1255.
You can't get mine here. You're fast. Uh-oh.
Out of Rome, New York, Mr. Craig Vogel.
for a tall guy.
Once again, I'd like to thank all of you for coming out. I think if we could have a second to give Mr. Robert Eddy a round of applause. I don't know if you guys understand, but a $35 entry fee for 500 guarantees for shorts is unheard of nowadays. Robert basically donated the Lions today to make the prize fun happen for you guys. So, like I said, look forward for more to come.
Now, I got Craig Vogel with me now. You own a bowling center.
Yes.
How many lanes?
32.
And in Rome, right?
Rome, about 40 miles east of Syracuse.
East of Syracuse, right between Albany and Syracuse, pretty close?
Yeah, just
I know we've talked a little. How long you been a proprietor?
24 years.
Wow, fantastic. And you stay in Punta Gorda?
Live in Punta Gorda in the winter and then live up there in the summer.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
I've got a great staff, so I don't have to worry about
You're
being
still
there.
a heck of a bowler. I didn't realize you were as good as you are. I mean, you throw the ball well. You led this thing wire to wire and really bowled well. Congratulations.
Built up a couple of new balls.
You like to loft it a lot, I noticed. You're not afraid to get...
I learned on old wood.
You learned on wood. Okay.
Old sophomore.
We got the camera on us here now. So how long have you been bowling? I want to know.
Since I was about 10.
Since you were about 10.
Yeah.
And you got a 32-laner in Rome.
Yeah.
And you've been a proprietor how many years again?
24.
24 years.
And I probably met you 40 years ago.
Where at?
Throughway lanes in Buffalo.
You met me at Thruway.
You were
on Walden Avenue.
You were doing the
working as player service.
You were doing player services.
Yeah,
I needed a ball, an emergency ball.
Did I get you a ball? Did I treat you all right? I didn't yell at you?
No, you treated me
You're sure
great.
about that? You can tell the truth.
You treated me great.
That's great. I'm so glad that you came down and you're still a bowler. That's wonderful.
I like
Hold all
competing
your
around
luck.
here. This is nice.
We're going to do everything we can to bring this place back, and we are. We're working hard.
Sure. Just take care of the bowlers, and they'll take care of you.
Well, that's the key. That's a great motto. Take care of the bowlers, and they'll
That's
take
kind
care
of what
of
we
you.
tried to do up there. Thanks,
So
Robert.
tell me now. I want to ask you some more questions about your career. Who's your favorite bowler growing up?
Probably Earl.
Probably.
Yeah.
Did you meet Earl?
No, I
You never
actually
met Earl?
I was in a conversation with him once.
Did you meet Mark Roth? I hope.
Yes,
And Marshall Holmes.
Mark Roth lined up off of us.
You did.
Take care of us.
Now, what about the
at
bowlers in
Paramus-
your region?
at
Who are your
Paramus
favorite
Lanes.
bowlers in your region? Like from Buffalo to Albany. Who is
Oh boy, there's a lot. There's a
Oh,
lot
I know,
of. There's
I know.
a real lot of good bowlers.
Oh, I know. Tell me some.
I come from the Utica Rome area.
Yeah.
Ray Sears is one
Oh,
of the,
yeah,
one of the
Ray
best
Sears can
bowlers.
bowl. Oh,
Larry
yes.
Porter.
Yes.
All these guys from the Central New York area.
Yeah.
Boy, there's a lot of.
Yeah, I know.
Dean Diston from Syracuse.
How about Trinisky?
Mike Trinisky.
How about the Chet?
I think he's at my center bowling now.
He's
I'm
fantastic.
I'm not sure.
He's
but
a great bowler.
yes, he is. Yeah,
Yes.
you know what? He's good for the game.
Sure, he's good.
He's really
He's
teaches.
wonderful.
He teaches.
Yes.
He drills.
Yes.
He works
It's the
hard.
way it's supposed to be.
Works hard.
He's
in
a
his craft.
veteran. You know, the veterans that stay at it, thank God.
And
We
he's-
need them.
And he's got a 20-lane center in a town half my size, but he does really well
Really?
with it because
Really?
he's involved with the bowlers.
How far were you from Canandaigua and Doug Kent's place?
He's in Newark. Which
Newark,
is about an
yeah.
hour and a half.
About an hour and a
Yeah.
half. Newark.
Again, he works the center.
Oh, I know.
You
Works-
got up there.
Works the camps with Barry Asher out there in Vegas and Dave Houston and Joe
Got Brad
Hutchinson.
Angelo up there.
Brad Angelo's great.
Everybody's working. 'Cause
Oh, yeah, they're
you
working.
can't depend on people to walk in the door.
I agree 100%. You got to work at it.
Yeah.
Anyways, congratulations.
Thanks
it's
very much.
fun and it's
Thanks.
nice to talk with you.
Thanks for doing this. We
Well,
enjoy
it's-
watching it.
I'm
I hear
honored.
you're getting a lot of views.
Well,
too.
I'm honored. It's great. You know, anything to help the game. And my philosophy is do what you can. You know,
You're helping the game. Anytime you can do something like
well,
this
I
for the
love to.
players.
And you're helping the game by being with us now. You're a Floridian now.
I'm a half and half.
Until you go back. Well, I was
The
born-
older I get, the bigger my half is down
I
here.
was born in the Bronx, so you know I'm a New Yorker. Moved to Connecticut. Now I live in Florida. There's a lot of Easterners here. I guess the cold weather sent us here, and that's how we met, you and I. How about
Tell
that?
them all to write the book.
Write the book.
Write the book.
Yeah, write the book.
Thanks very much.
All right, great bowling. Great to have you with us. How about that, Craig Vogel? So nice to see.
Kingpin
And,
Lanes in Rome, New York.
Yes, Kingpin Lanes.
see ya.
Kingpin Lanes.